Hello friends, welcome to CADCAM Nation. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can design a simple mechanical component inside Solidworks. So this is going to be a very basic tutorial so that you can easily follow this tutorial along. And as I already told you that this is a basic mechanical component and it is a very easy tutorial. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, write down the comment in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Okay, without taking much time, let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing that you have to do is, as you can see here on the left side, there are planes. You can select these. I'm gonna start with the top plane. Click the top plane, and as you can see, there is a small icon which shows that sketch. Click on it, and after clicking on it, you can see the in the drawing area the sketch is normal to your view. Now you can create a sketch on the top plane. So I'm gonna start with the slot command. You can go to the sketch, and over here you can see that there is a slot, and I'm gonna start with the center point straight slot. Select. Now start with the center point from here, from the origin, drag it horizontally, click one time more, and then drag outwards. Now you can see there is the slot we have created. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do the constrained. I'm gonna make it straight. As you can see, it is already straight, so I don't have to make it straight. If it is not straight, then you can simply click on the point by holding down the control key and click on the origin. Then you can see there as it is a slot, then it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna give the dimension. So there is the dimension. I'm gonna give the dimension across its width equals to 40. Now it is 40 mm in width, and I'm gonna give the distance from its center point. It is equals to 102. As you can see, we have created the slot here, and now it is time to extrude the slot. So go to the features and select the extrude boss base. When we do that, in the next window you can enter the dimensions directly in this box, in this area, or also you can select the arrow and drag it in which direction you want to go, and just drop it wherever you want. So I'm gonna give the dimension this, or the thickness of this slot equals to 12 mm, and click OK. Now the basic slot is created. It is actually not the slot, it is a extruded body built out of this slot. Now click on the top surface of this solid body, click on this sketch and make it normal to view. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to sketch and select the circle. Now when you highlight the outer boundary of this body, this arc, it will give you its center. Then you have to click on the center and drag it outwards. Do the same thing on the other side like this. Now we have two circles. I'm gonna create the holes right there. So for doing this, I'm gonna click this circle or select the circle by holding down the control key and select the another circle. Now it will give you the option to make it equals. Now both the circles are equal. If you drag this one circle, the another circle automatically changes its diameter, as you can see here. So I'm gonna give the dimension to these circles, which is equals to 16 millimeter. Now as you can see, I just give the dimension to one circle and the another circle automatically copies the dimension from this circle. Now it is time to make extrude cut feature out of these two circles. To go to feature and select extrude cut. Now there are two options that you can use to extrude cut. So when you right click on the screen on the drawing area, there you have some options over here. You can just click through all. It will automatically gives you the extrude cut feature up to the body. Now click OK. There you can see is the extruded feature with holes on it. Now the next feature I'm gonna do is the arc. So for this I'm gonna select the front face and click the sketch icon, making it normal to view. There is a reason I'm doing on the front plane, because I'm gonna extrude this feature on both the sides symmetrically. That is why I choose the front plane. Now it is time to create the circle from this origin and draw it. And one more circle like this. Now it is time to give the dimension to the outer circle, which is equals to 64. And the dimension for the inner circle, it should be equals to 38, as you can see. Now I'm gonna draw the center line through this position. For doing this, go to sketch and draw the line. Now join these two lines and make like this. As you can see, there is a line here. Now I'm gonna trim the down part of this sketch. For trimming the sketch over here, you have to go to the sketch and then select the trim entities. When you select it, there are a few options: trim, power trim, corner, trim away inside, trim away outside, and trim to close-up. I'm just simply going to drag my cursor over the sketch and it will automatically delete the rest of the circle or the sketch up to the intersection point. This is how it works. Now okay, I forgot to mention to trim this inside body part. Okay, so again select the trim and just simply remove the feature. Now what we're gonna do is go to the features and extrude boss base. Just orient to your isometric view, right click on the drawing area and select the mid plane feature. Now you can see the dimension or the extrusion is going to do in symmetrically on both the sides. Okay, so I'm gonna extrude this feature equals to 62 millimeter like this. That is why I choose the front plane to make this feature. Now I don't need the inside part of this. There are few things that you can do. The one simple method you can do is you can simply no, it is not like the simple method actually. You can simply select the surface. It is a long way method. Select the surface, then select the arc, inside arc, and select the surface and click on sketch. Now select the arc of the inside circle and convert entities. Now go to sketch and select the lines and draw the closed loop. Now as you can see, it is a closed loop. You can extrude cut it easily. You can choose through all, or you can simply choose up to next, or you can choose up to surface and then select the surface up to which you want to extrude, but the most appropriate option you have is up to next, so it will automatically delete the feature of the inside. Now we have one basic mechanical component, and there are very simple commands we have just used to create this feature, very easy. And okay, there is one more thing that I have to show you, like just let me drag it, reappearing it, and there is one more thing, that delete face. You can select the delete face option and select the option delete and patch, and select the surfaces on which you want to perform the delete faces like this, and click OK. Now you can see it is very simple. You don't have to create any sketches to extrude cut it. So delete face can be one useful option you have into your SolidWorks. So sometimes it works or sometimes it is not, but in this case it worked, so you can use this feature to create your mechanical component. So this is what we learned today in this video tutorial, that how to create a 3D mechanical component inside a SolidWorks. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you also like this video. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends for more videos like this. Till then, bye bye.